Hello, students. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you, students? Hello. Yes, welcome, everyone. Welcome, students. So, students, again, before starting today's lecture, just please let me know quickly in the chat box that my audio is clear or not and the screen is visible or not. Everyone, please let me know in the chat box. Quickly, let me know, everyone. Am I audible? The screen is visible? Clear? Everything is right? Okay? Okay. So, student, as we were discussing in the last class, we were seeing some of the important result, right? Length of the quadrilateral, sorry, area of the quadrilateral, and the length of the chord of contact, right? All those things we were discussing in the last class, and then we discussed about the equation of the chord with the given middle point. If the middle point of the chord is given, then how to find the equation of that chord, right? Those things we discussed in the last class, and I gave you some homework to solve in the last class also, right? So in today's class, first of all, we will discuss the homework questions. First of all, we will discuss the homework question from the last class, and then we will start our discussion on the director circle, which is very important topic, and then family of circle. Okay, is that clear? Good afternoon, good afternoon. Is that clear, students? Okay. So student, in the last class, I gave you this question as a homework. This question was the homework, right? Question was, how many of you solved this question? How many of you did solve this question? Question is, tangent are drawn to a unit circle with center origin. Okay, there is a circle whose radius is unit. Unity means radius is 1. Unity means 1. And center is origin from just give me 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is this clear? Am I audible? Students, am I audible? Right? Okay. As I was saying, the tangent is drawn to a unit circle to center at origin from every point on this line. So first we have to prove that chord of contact passes through a fixed point, and then second is good afternoon, and the second is equation of the locus of the middle point of the chord of contact. Okay, so let's start our solution. So the first I'm solving chord of contact passes through a fixed point. Okay, so student, as you know that a circle whose center is origin and radius is 1, unity means 1. Okay, unity means 1. Okay, so there is a circle, let's say this is a circle whose center is 0 comma 0 and radius is 1. Radius is 1. So the circle की equation कैसे लिख सकते हैं? x square plus y square is equal to 1. Right? Right? Okay. So question is saying that there is line 2x plus y is equal to 4. From every point on this line we have drawn the tangent on this circle. Okay, let's say this is one tangent and this is another tangent, right? So let's say this is point A, this is point B, and this AB is a chord of contact. Okay, so we have to prove that this chord of contact AB passes through fixed point. So how you will solve this? Let's say any point in the circle can be any point on this line 2x plus y equal to 4 can be assumed that, let's say x is equal to lambda, then y कितना आ गया? Y is equal to 4 minus 2x, x is lambda, then y is equal to 4 minus 2 lambda. So any point on this line can be written as x comma 4 minus 2 lambda. Yes or no? Yes or no? So AB is a chord of contact with respect to point P. Then tell me the equation of the chord of contact. So equation of chord of contact is nothing but T is equal to 0. What is the circle? Circle is x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. So how do you write the T equal to 0? Replace x square with x1. What is x1? Lambda. Plus replace y square with y1. What is y1? 4 minus 2 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? Okay, if it is clear, then now separate this. This can be written as 4y minus 1 plus lambda time x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the equation of AB. Equation of AB. Right? Now student, as you can see clearly, this is nothing but L1 plus lambda time L2 is equal to 0. Yes or no? So equation of AB is nothing but L1 plus L2. Equation of AB is L1 plus lambda time L2 equal to 0. And when we were discussing the family of lines in the straight line chapter, I said that whenever there is a line in the form of L1 plus lambda time L2 equal to 0, it means that line passes through a fixed point, and that fixed point is the point of intersection of L1 and L2. Right? So it implies AB, which is chord of contact, passes through a fixed point, and that fixed point is point of intersection of L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0. Right? Yes or no? So what is L1? L1 is 4y minus 1. So 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. And L2 is x minus 2y is equal to 0. So solve this. You will get that point of intersection is what? Point of intersection is y kitna aa gaya? Y is 1 by 4 and x is 1 by 2. Right? Hence proof. Yes or no? Hence proof that the chord of contact is passes through a fixed point. This fixed point is point of intersection of L1 and L2. L1 and L2 को solve कर लो. From L1 y is equal to 1 by 4. Put y equal to 1 by 4 in L2. You will get x is 1 by 2. Is this clear? So the chord of contact is passing through this point 1 comma 2, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4. Is this clear, students? Is there any doubt in this question? In the first part, tell me quickly in the chat box. Is there any doubt? Right? Any doubt, students? So the first part is proof that we have proved that chord of contact passes through the fixed point. So the second part is saying that equation of the locus of the second part is find the equation of the locus of the middle point of the chord of contact. Okay, so we have to find the locus of the middle point of the chord of contact. Clear? So let's see how do we proceed with this question. Let's see. So the second part is, first of all, again, what is the circle? Circle is unit circle with center 0, 0. The circle is radius, center is 0, 0, radius is 1. So the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1. So you can write this as x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. So the circle is x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. And this line was kya thi? Line was 2x plus y is equal to 4. Line is 2x plus y is equal to 4. So again, first of all, from any point on this line, let's say P point कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Lambda comma 4 minus 2 lambda, right? We have drawn the tangent, pair of tangent on this circle, right? We have drawn a pair of tangent. So this is point A, this is point B. So this AB is the chord of contact. This AB is a chord of contact. So we have to find the equation of the locus of the middle point of this chord of contact. So if I have to find the locus, so assume that the locus is h comma k. So this point M is h comma k, and this point M is the midpoint of the chord of contact AB. Yes or no? Right? So student, tell me first of all, equation AB acts as chord of contact with respect to point P. right? So equation of AB लिख लो, t is equal to 0. What is t? Replace, write down the equation of the tangent assuming the point P is lying on the circle. So replace x square with x, x1 is lambda, plus replace y square with y1, y1 is 4 minus 2 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equation 1. This is equation 1, right? Right? This is equation 1. But equation of AB can also be written as chord with a given middle point. But equation of AB can also be written as chord with a given middle point. With a given middle point. Yes or no? Middle point given है h, k, जो जिसका locus हमें निकालना है, right? h, k. So how can you write the equation of? Tell me quickly in the chat box. What is the procedure for writing the equation of the chord with the given middle point? Everyone quickly in the chat box, let me know the answer. Equation of the chord with the given middle point. What is the equation for that? Tell me. In the last class I have told you. Everyone tell me quickly. JNV Davangri, JNV Uttara Kannada, JNV Tumkur, JNV Chitradurga. Everyone tell me quickly. Equation of the chord with the given middle point. How do you write it? Everyone quickly let me know in answer in the chat box. I'm waiting, everyone. Tell me. What is the answer? T is equal to S1. T is equal to S1. Yes or no? So first assume that, first write down the equation of T as point h, k is given. So equation is x, replace x square with sx1. x1 is h, plus replace y square with y1. y1 is k, constant as it is, equal to, what is s1? Put the point in the circle. So point is h, k. So h square plus k square minus 1. Right? So here you can see that hx plus ky minus h square plus k square is equal to 0. So this is equation 2. Yes or no? This is equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2, these both are the equation of AB only. Yes or no? Both equation 1 and 2 are the equation of AB. So it implies equation 1 and equation 2 are identical. Yes or no? Exactly same equation, right? So now compare the coefficient of x and y. Here coefficient of x is lambda, so lambda upon h. Coefficient of here x is h. Similarly, what is coefficient of y? 4 minus 2 lambda is equal to 4 minus 2 lambda. Coefficient of y is here k is equal to, what is the constant term? Minus 1, and here minus h square plus k square. So minus 1 upon minus h square plus k square. So student, now you just have to find the locus. First compare this. When you compare this, what you will get? Lambda is equal to h upon h square plus k square. Yes or no? And when you compare this, what you will get? Here 4 minus 2 lambda is equal to k upon h square plus k square. Yes or no? So, but lambda is h upon h square plus k square. So now substitute this value of lambda. Now substitute this value of lambda here. What you will get? 4 minus 2 times. What is lambda? H upon h square plus k square is equal to k upon h square plus k square. कितना आ गया? This is nothing but 4 is equal to 2h plus k upon h square plus k square. तो यहाँ से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. So you are getting h square plus k square is equal to 2h plus k by 4. 2h plus k by 4. Now replace h with x, k with y. कितना आ गया? x square plus y square minus x by 2 minus y by 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of required locus. Equation of required locus. Is this clear, students? Tell me quickly in the chat box how many of you understood this. Tell me quickly in the chat box. This is very important question, okay? Very, very important question. How many of you understood? Tell me quickly in the chat box, everyone. Everyone. Very good, JNV Davangri. What about the other JNVs? Did you understand this? Okay. So this is very important question. Okay. Okay. Did you right? Okay. So there was the two part. First part was the chord of contact passes through a fixed point, and the second part was the find the equation of locus of the middle point of the chord of contact. Okay. Chalo. If it is clear, shall we proceed to the next question? Okay. So the next question. Next question is this. This question also I gave you in the homework, right? Question was, let a circle is given by 2x into x minus a plus y into 2y minus b equal to 0. It is given that a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. Then question is asking us to find the condition on a and b if two chords each bisected by x-axis can be drawn to the circle from this point a comma b by. Okay. Okay. So सबसे पहले what is the equation? Circle is 2x into x minus a plus y into 2y minus b is equal to 0. इसको थोड़ा अच्छे से लिख लो. 2x square plus 2y square minus 2ax minus by is equal to 0. तो कितना आ गया ये? x square plus y square minus ax minus b by 2y is equal to 0. So this is the circle. Right? Right? Now check, see a comma b by 2. Check a comma b by 2. Put a comma b by 2 in this equation of circle. Let's say this is the equation of circle S. Put a comma b by 2 in the equation of circle. So you will see that a comma b by 2 is satisfies this circle. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? a comma b by 2 is lying on the circle. So a comma b by 2 is lying on circle. Right? So this is a circle जिसका center क्या है? a by 2 comma b by 4. Okay. So now I'm writing this circle here. I'm drawing the circle. Everyone, please focus. This is very important question. Very important question. Okay. And this type of question you will see many times in the questions in the exams. Okay. Because the thinking that I'm going to tell you, it's very important. Okay. Approach of this question is important. Okay. So what is the center? Center is a by 2 comma circle लिख लेते हैं सबसे पहले. तो circle is x square plus y square minus ax minus b by 2 into y is equal to 0. Minus ax minus b by 2 into y equal to 0. Okay. So let's say center of the circle is क्या है? a by 2 comma b by 4. Okay. Question is saying that when you draw a chord from the point, let's say this is a point. Let's say this is a point. Okay, a comma b by 2, a comma b by 2. So this point, the chord from these 2 points, this point a comma b by 2 is bisected by the x-axis, and there are two such chord that is possible. Means, let's say this is the x-axis. Let's say this is the x-axis. Okay, and when you draw the chord, let's say this chord. So there are two such chord is possible which are bisected by the h-axis, right? See, like this. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did you understand this? So now we have to find the condition on A and B such that this situation is possible. That is the question. Clear, everyone? Tell me quickly in the chat box how many of you understood this question. Quickly let me know in the chat box. Quickly. Clear? Question is clear? Okay, very good, JNV Davangri, very good. So student, सबसे पहले, see, if this chord, let's say this chord is bisected by the x-axis, right? So any point on the x-axis can be given as, let's say, h comma 0. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now let's say this point is A and this point is B, right? So AB is a chord which bisected by point h comma 0. Yes or no? So equation of a chord with a given middle point. So h comma 0 is a middle point of the chord. Yes or no? So equation of a chord with a given middle point is E is equal to S1. So what is T? Replace x with x1. So h comma 0 is a point. Write down the equation of tangent assuming h comma 0 is passing through the h comma 0 is the replace. What is the T? T is the write down the equation of tangent assuming point h comma 0 is on the circle. So x1 is h and y1 is 0 plus y1 minus ax. Now you have to replace 2x with x plus x1, but 2x नहीं है यहाँ पे x है. So what you can do, divide with 2 and multiply with 2. So now it is now like a by 2 into 2x. So now the 2x can be written as x plus x1. Similarly, multiply by 2 divided by 2. So you will get minus b by 4 into 2y. And 2y can be replaced with y plus y1. Clear? Is equal to S1. What is S1? Put the point h comma 0 in the circle. So it is clearly h square plus 0 minus ah minus 0. So कितना आ गया ये? This is nothing but hx minus a by 2 into x minus a by 2 into h minus b by 4 into y. 1 second, इसको और अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. कैसे अभी बता दो. So it is the equation of the chord. इतना समझ में आया? Is this clear so far? Now this chord is passing through point. This chord is passing through a comma b by 2. Yes or no? This chord is passing through a comma b by 2. So it means when you put a comma b by 2, it should satisfy the equation of chord. So now replace. Now put the x a and y b by 2. कितना आ गया ये? ये तो 0 हो गया. So a into h minus a by 2 into what is x? x को replace कर दो a से. a plus h minus b by 4. y को replace कर दो b by 2 से. b by 2 is equal to h square minus ah. Clear? Is this clear? Okay, very good, very good. So this can be written as ah minus a square by 2 minus ah by 2 minus b square by 8 equal to h square minus ah. Right? इसको और simplify कर लो. This can be written as h square. Take this everything on the right hand side. So it will be minus 2ah plus ah by 2. So minus 2ah plus ah by 2 and plus a square by 2 plus b square by 8 plus a square by 2 plus b square by 8 equal to 0. So you are getting h square minus 3a by 2 into h plus a square by 2 plus b square by 8 equal to 0. Right? Is this clear so far, student? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Clear? Now, student, now this is a, now tell me how many chord were possible? There are 2 chord possible, right? There were 2 chord which are possible, right? So it means there will be 2 distinct value of h. Yes or no? It means there will be 2 distinct value of h. Let's say h1 comma 0 and h2 comma 0 types. Yes or no? So there will be 2 distinct value of h for which this is possible. Yes or no? Is this clear? Because question has clearly stated that if 2 chord each bisected by the x-axis can be drawn to the circle from a by 2. So it means from this point when I draw the 2 chords, so there will be 2 such value of h is possible, right? So it implies this quadratic equation in h has 2 real and distinct roots. Clear? So this is the crux of the question. Okay? क्योंकि क्वेश्चन ने जब बोला कि there are 2 such chord is possible, it means there are 2 such chord which are bisected by the x-axis. So it means there will be 2 values of h which is possible. So it means this quadratic equation in h will have the 2 real and distinct value. So it implies d is greater than 0. बस d greater than g कर दो. Now just do the d greater than 0. So what is b? Ax square plus 2 plus b by bx plus c. So it means minus 3a by 2 का होल स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर माइनस 4a c कितना है a स्क्वायर बाय 2 प्लस b स्क्वायर बाय 8 ग्रेटर देन 0. राइट, कितना आ गया ये? इट इज नथिंग बट 9a स्क्वायर बाय 4 माइनस 2a स्क्वायर minus b square by 2 greater than 0. So it implies a square by 4 minus b square by 2 greater than 0. So it implies a square by 4 greater than b square by 2. It implies a square is greater than 2b square. So this is the required condition on AB. So this is the required condition. This is the required condition that a square should be greater than 2b square, then only there are two chord from a comma b by 2 possible such that these two chord are bisected by the x-axis. Is this clear, student? Is this clear? Tell me quickly in the chat box how many of you understood this question. JNV Davangri, JNV Tumkur, JNV Uttara Kannada, JNV Chitra Durga, everyone tell me quickly in the chat box. Let me know. Let me know quickly. How many of you understood this question? Clear है ना? कोई डाउट है क्या? So these two questions are very important questions. Okay, इनको रिवाइज करना दोबारा होमवर्क में. Okay, दोबारा रिवाइज करना. If you have any doubt regarding these two questions, then ask me in the next class also. Okay, अभी clear है? Okay, okay. If it is clear, so let's proceed further. Okay. So now let's proceed to the next topic, which is director circle. So now today's topic is director circle. Okay. So what is director circle? देखो, director circle is nothing but, see, for any curve, if you have any curve, okay, and from that curve, let's say from that curve you draw from, let's say this is the point P, and from this point P, let's say you draw a tangent on the curve. Okay, tangent on a curve such that those tangent are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so the director circle is the locus of the point such that tangent from this point P on the curve are 90 degree. Okay, clear? Means in the context of circle, what is the director circle? The locus of the point of intersection of two perpendicular tangent to a given circle is known as director circle. Okay, so what is it means? It means, let's say there are point which is lying outside the circle. Okay, and there will be so many points, infinite points lying outside the circle, and out of those infinite points there are many points from which if you draw the tangent on the circle you will get 90 degree. Okay, like this. Let's say this is a circle and this is a point P. So if I draw the tangent from this point P, since this point is lying outside the circle, so there are two tangents which is possible, right? One second. So there are two tangent which is possible. Okay, one second. Let's say this is the point. Let's say one of the tangent is this and another tangent is this, right? Right, clearly these two tangents are perpendicular, right? So this is the point P, let's say. So there are so many points. Let's say one point may be here, so if you draw the tangent from there you will get 90 degree. Okay, so director circle is a locus of a locus such that the tangent from the point on the circle or on a curve is 90 degree. Is this clear? Definition is clear or not? Tell me. डायरेक्टर सर्कल की डेफिनेशन क्लियर है? Okay, so student, in the last class I told you, we just know that this, let's say this point P is, this is the point A which is lying outside the circle, right? And this is the center. What is the center? Minus G comma minus F for this circle. Okay, so from the point A which is lying outside the circle I can able to draw the 2 points, right? And this I can able to draw the two tangents, and these two tangents are equally inclined on the line joining point and center, right? Right. So what is director circle? Director circle means when the when this angle theta become 90 degree, means angle between the tangents become 90 degree. So I have to find that curve such that if I draw the tangent from any point of that curve on the circle, I should always get angle between tangent 90 degree. Is this clear? The definition of the director circle is clear. Anyone have doubt regarding the definition of director circle? Clear? Okay. If it is clear, then let's proceed. Then let's try to find the equation of the director circle. Okay. Let's say this is a circle. What is this circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So the center of the circle is, let's say center is C, which is minus g comma minus f. Okay. So we have to find a locus of a point. Point is lying outside. So first of all, point has to be lying outside. Yes or no? Point circle के अंदर आ जाएगा तो how is then possibility of drawing the tangent is 0? Yes or no? There will be no tangent if point is lying inside the circle. So it means point is lying outside the circle. Point है, इसका locus निकालना है, right? Such that if I draw the tangent on the circle, the angle between the tangent is 90 degree. So let's say this is point A, this is point B. Okay, so the angle between the tangent is 90 degree. Okay, this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so I have to find this locus of the point P. How we will draw this? Can anybody tell me? Okay, सबसे पहले student tell me this line joining between the point P and the center is this, and we know that this angle and this angle is equal, right? Because tangent inclined equal, tangent are at equal inclination with respect to the line PC. So this angle equal, total angle 90 degree. So clearly this angle will be 45 degree, this angle will be 45 degree, right? If I drop a perpendicular from center on the tangent, it will be meet at the point A only, because the CA is act as a normal to the circle, right? Right. So this is nothing but radius. This is radius. So let's say this circle has a center minus g comma minus f, and the radius I'm assuming that is under root g square plus f square minus c. Let's say r. Clear? Okay. So student, you can see here in the triangle PAC, in triangle PAC, right? This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 45 degree. This angle 90 degree. So clearly this angle is 45 degree. So it implies this triangle is isosceles triangle. Yes or not? Triangle PAC is the isosceles triangle. So it implies PA is equal to AC only, which is equal to R. So it implies the length of the tangent is radius के बराबर. This is the first point, right? So it means, and length of the tangent are always equal. So two tangent is possible and both tangent have the equal length. So the length of the tangent is R. So let's see. So quadrilateral PACB, in quadrilateral PACB, all angles are 90 degree. This angle 90 degree. This angle C is also 90 degree because this angle is 45 degree. 90 degree, 90 degree, and all the sides are equal also. R. So quadrilateral PACB is a square, right? This is the first point, right? इसकी जरूरत नहीं थी, but now we are just proving. So we are finding that this quadrilateral PACB is a square, right? Okay. So this is the first point, right? Now we have to find the locus. Okay. So how do we find the locus? In triangle PAC. In triangle PAC, what is sine 45 degree? What is sine 45 degree? Sine 45 degree is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is PC. What is AC? AC is nothing but radius only. So R upon PC, right? So it implies 1 by root 2 is equal to R upon PC. तो यहां से कितना पता चल गया? That PC is equal to R root 2. So PC square is equal to 2R square. Is this clear? So now we found that distance between PC is nothing but 2 times R square. So what is the distance between PC? Distance formula लगा लो, h comma k and minus g comma minus f. So distance between PC का square कितना हो जाएगा? h plus g whole square plus k plus f whole square is equal to 2R square. Clear? Is this clear? So this is nothing but locus only. Now replace h with x and k with y. So what is the locus? X plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is equal to 2R square. So this is the required locus. Which is a director circle. Is this clear, everyone? Director circle, right? Okay. So what was the original circle? सबसे पहले quickly tell me, from this locus we can able to easily understand that this is nothing but a circle only. So the center is minus g comma minus f, right? The center of the circle is minus g comma minus f, and the radius is square root of this number, which is root 2r, right? And what is our original circle? जिसका हम डायरेक्टर सर्कल निकाल रहे थे, ओरिजिनल सर्कल इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2gx प्लस 2fy प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. व्हाट इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल? सेंटर इज minus g comma minus f, and I said that assume the radius of the circle is r only, right? R. So it implies you can easily see that director circle is a circle which have the same center of the original circle, but the radius of the director circle is the root 2 times of the original circle. Is this clear? So this result is very important, that director circle is nothing but a concentric circle with the given circle, but the radius of the director circle will be root 2 times of the original circle. It means, let's say there is a circle, it means this is a circle, given circle has center a comma b. One second. So what I'm saying is, let's say this is a circle, this circle has the center minus g comma minus f, and radius is r. So the director circle क्या होगा? Director circle is a circle whose center is minus g comma minus f, but radius is the root 2 times of the original circle. तो director circle एक ऐसा बड़ा circle आएगा. This is the director circle. Okay, this is the director circle. इसकी radius कितनी है? root 2 r, and center is 0,0. So this is director circle. So इस सर्कल की खास बात क्या है? That from any point on the director circle, when you draw the tangent, the tangent will always make 90 degree. From any point on the director circle, when you draw the tangent on the given circle, the tangent will always make 90 degree. Clear? Is this clear or not? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear? So let's say this is one point. Draw on the director circle, draw the tangent. The tangent will always make the 90 degree. So this is the director circle. Clear? Is this clear, students? So that point that should be noted in the director circle is the director circle of given circle is a concentric circle having radius equals to root 2 times radius of original circle. So that is the important point. Okay. Is this clear? Tell me quickly in the chat box how many of you understand this. Director circle of a given circle is the concentric circle means director circle will have the same center with the original circle, but the radius of the director circle will be root 2 times of the original circle. Clear? Okay, student. So one point should be noted is that the name director circle name does not mean that the locus will always be the center circle. No. Director circle, the name, the director circle itself is saying that it's a special locus, which means from which if I draw the tangent on the curve, I will get that angle between the tangent is 90 degree. But it does not mean that the every time for every curve the director circle will be circle. By chance we are getting the director circle of circle is circle. Okay, but in parabola we will see that director circle of parabola is not a circle. Okay, so don't get confused with the name by the director circle. Director circle is just a terminology. Okay, it does not mean that the curve, that the locus is coming as a circle. No. Okay, is this clear? For the circle, by chance we are getting the circle, right? By chance we are getting the director circle as circle for any circle, but it does not mean for any curve the director circle is always circle. No. In the parabola, when I will going to prove there, you will see that director circle is not a circle, it is something else. Is this clear? How many of you understood the director circle? Definition of director circle, how many of you understood? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Clear? Okay, if it is clear, then let's proceed to the questions. Okay, let's solve this question. Question is saying that find the equation of director circle of x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute, students. Solve this question and let me know the answer, everyone. I'm giving you 1 minute, everyone. Solve this question. Find the equation of director circle of this circle. Everyone, tell me quickly the answer in the chat box. What is the equation of this director circle of this circle? Everyone, quickly let me know the answer in the chat box. Quickly. Let me know the answer. Question is very simple. Just use the fact that the director circle of any circle is a concentric circle, but the radius is root 2 times of the original circle. That's all. Tell me what is the answer. Tell me, everyone. Or you can tell me the radius of the director circle. Radius of the director circle आपको कितना मिल रहा है? Tell me quickly in the chat box, everyone. Quickly. JNV Davangiri, JNV Uttara Kannada, JNV Tumkur, JNV Chitradurga. Everyone, tell me quickly in the chat box. Quickly. How much you are getting the radius of the director circle? Everyone. Everyone, tell me quickly. Okay, let's see then. Okay. So student, this is a circle. ये circle है. What is this circle? This circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. If I ask you what is this center of this circle? Center of this circle is 1, 1. What is the radius of this circle? Radius of the circle is under root of 1 square plus 1 square minus c minus of minus 7, which is root 9, which is 3. So radius is 3, right? So you can say that director circle have center क्या होगा डायरेक्टर सर्कल का? 1, 1 only. Concentric होता है ना, means the center of the director circle and the center of the given circle is same. The director circle have center 1, 1 and radius कितना होगा? Root 2 times of original circle, so 3 root. So equation of any circle whose center is given, radius is given. How can you write the equation? X minus 1 का whole square plus y minus 1 का whole square is equal to 3 root 2 whole square. कितना आ गया, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 2y प्लस 2 माइनस 18, so minus 16 is equal to 0. So this is the required director circle. Required director circle, देखो कितना इजी था. Required director circle. Is this clear now? Clear? So anytime you have to find the equation of director circle of any given circle, so you have to do two things. First, find the center of the given circle and the radius of the given circle. Then the director circle will have the same center, but the radius will be the root 2 times of the original circle. And when you know the center and radius of any circle, so the equation of the circle you can write x minus 1 whole square, y minus 1 whole square into radius ka whole square. Is this clear, students? Is this clear? Everyone, tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear? How many of you understood this question? Students, tell me quickly. Is this clear or not? Clear? Everyone? Okay. Okay, very good, JNV Chitra Durga. Very good. Okay, so if it is clear, so let's solve one more question on the director circle. This. It's a important question, okay? Question is saying that let P be any moving point on this circle. From this point, chord of contact is drawn with respect to this circle. X square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. Find the locus of the circumcenter of the triangle CAB. C being the center of circle, A, B are the point of contact. Okay. सबसे पहले let's assume that S1 क्या है, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the center of this circle? Center is 1, 0 minus half coefficient of x which is 1 and y का coefficient तो है नहीं, 0 है तो 0. And radius is 1 minus of minus 1 which is, and let's assume h2 क्या है, x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. What is the center of this circle? 1, 0 and radius of the circle is, what is R2? 1. See, S1 and S2 have the same center, but the radius of the S1 is the root 2 times of the radius of S2. It implies S1 is a director circle. S1 is a director circle of S2. Yes or no? S1 is a director circle of S2. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. So what question is saying that, question ने बोला कि let's say there are two circles. Okay. So now circle draw कर लो. One circle is this, another circle will be this, right? So S1 is have the bigger radius, so S1 is outside, S2 is have the smaller radius, S2 is inside. So the center of the circle is 1, 0, right? And let's say center, and the center, what is C? C being the center of the circle. Which circle? This circle, S2. So this is C. Okay. So question is saying that, let me write down the S1 and S2 again. S1 is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. S2 कितना है? x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. Okay. Question is saying that any point P on any point, let P be any moving point on the circle. Okay, on this circle S1. So there is any point, let's say P. We draw a tangent to the circle, right? From this point, chord of contact is drawn with respect to S2. This is S1. This is S2, right? From this point P, you draw a tangent on the circle S2, right? from this point P, you draw a tangent on this circle S2, right? Okay, let's say this is A, this is B. So with respect to B, this point, this AB is a chord of contact with to the circle S2, right? Question is saying that find the locus of the circumcenter of the triangle CAB. So this is the triangle. This is the triangle CAB. This triangle. इस ट्रायंगल का लोकस बताना है सर्कमसेंटर का. क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर? क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन? ओके, क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ स्टूडेंट टेल मी, सबसे पहले CA is a normal to the circle S2, so this is perpendicular. CB is also normal because CB is the line which is passing through the normal to the circle, and any line which passes through the normal, any line which passes through the center of circle is act as normal, right? And the point P क्या है? Point P is a point which is lying on the director circle of the S2. So हमें पता है director circle है P, S1 is the director circle, so the angle between the tangent PA and PB is 90 degree. Yes or no? Yes or no? So in the quadrilateral PACB, three angles are 90 degree. So of course the fourth angle will also be 90 degree. Clear? Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. So now, सबसे पहले triangle CAB is a right angle triangle. Yes or no? Right angle triangle. Right? And one important note I have told you in the straight line chapter is that circumcenter of right angle triangle, circumcenter of right angle triangle is what? Can anybody tell me in the chat box? Where is the circumcenter of the right angle triangle lies? Anyone in the chat box? Anyone? Circumcenter of right angle triangle is where? I have told you in the straight line chapter. With the note, I have explained this thing. Can anybody tell me in the chat box where the circumcenter of right angle triangle lies? Anyone? Anyone? No one? So did you forget this? I have told you now, the circumcenter of right angle triangle lies on, is circumcenter of the right angle triangle. 1 second. Did I just? Okay, I think. Can I do 1 second? I just. Okay. So I just mistakenly, I just erase everything. So let me just do it quickly. 1 second. Okay. This is S2. This is S1. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. This is point P. From point P, draw a tangent. From point P, two tangents are drawn on the S2. Point A and B. Center of the circle S2 is 1, 0. Okay, so AB will act as a chord of contact. Chord of contact. So we have to find the locus of the circumcenter of the triangle CAB, this triangle. And we have established that this angle, this is normal. So this is 90 degree. This is normal. This is 90 degree. Point P is lying on the director circle of S2. So this angle will be 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. So I said that triangle CAB is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. Right. So right angle triangle में क्या बोला था मैंने? The circumcenter of the right angle triangle is circumcenter of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is midpoint of, याद आया कुछ? Midpoint of hypotenuse. Midpoint of hypotenuse. Right? Remember that the circumcenter of the right angle triangle is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Clear? So it means that सर्कम सेंटर क्या होगा, हाइपोटेनियस इन द ट्रायंगल एबीसी, हाइपोटेनियस तो AB है, तो दिस इज H, K, right? This is H, K, and since this point is circumcenter, right? Let's denote this point with, let's say, point P. So since this point is a circumcenter, this and this length is equal, and this length is also equal, right? Right? This is the, and now you can say that point P, which is H, K, which is circumcenter of the triangle ABC, is midpoint of chord AB only. Yes or no? So now the situation is like this, student. Situation अब कैसी है कि अब तक हमें क्या पता चला, this is H2, and let's say this is the center C, which is center कितना है 1,0, okay, and this is the chord AB, and this point P, which is circumcenter, is midpoint. Okay, so from center C, when you join the midpoint, it is 90 degree, right? And this is radius, yes or no? And this side, this PA equal to PC only. Why? Because P is a circumcenter. बताया था ना मैंने, अगर P circumcenter है, let's say this is a triangle and this is a circumcenter, so this side and this side, they all are equal. ये बताया था ना मैंने. So it means you can say that since P is a circumcenter, PA is equal to PC, right? Angle 90 degree at these two sides are equal, so this angle is 45 degree, isosceles triangle, right? Yes or no? Okay, so in triangle PAC, what is cos 45 degree, students? Cos 45 degree is base CP upon hypotenuse, which is CA. ये तो radius है. Yes or no? What is the radius of circle S1? Sorry, radius of circle S2 is 1. Yes or no? Radius of circle S2 is 1. So CP upon 1. So it implies 1 by root 2 is equal to CP. So it implies CP square is equal to 1 by 2. So what is CP square? The square of the distance between the point C and P, which is nothing but H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 0 whole square is equal to 1 by 2. So it is H minus 1 whole square plus K square is equal to 1 by 2. So now replace H with X, K with Y. So locus कितना आ गया? Locus finally is X minus 1 का whole square plus Y square is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the required locus of circumcenter of triangle CAB. क्लियर? सो एक बार रिपीट कर देता हूं. मैंने क्या बोला? मैंने बोला देखो क्विकली, two circle was given. So circle S1 is a circle whose center is 1,0 and radius is root 2. Circle S2 is a circle whose center is 1,0 and radius is 1. So from here I can deduce that S1 is a circle which is director circle. S1 is a director circle of S2. So quickly director circle बना लिया. S2 की रेडियस 1 है, S1 की रेडियस रूट 2 है, तो सर ऐसे बना दिया. क्वेश्चन ने बोला from point P a chord of contact is drawn on the circle S2, right? So chord of contact कैसे आएगी? पहले P से tangent draw करो on the circle S2, join this point A and B, that means AB is a chord of contact. Okay, then we have to find the locus of the circumcenter of triangle CAB. तो सबसे पहले CA CB are the normal to the circle S2. So this angle 90 degree, this angle 90 degree. Since P is a point which is on the director circle, so obviously that angle between the tangent PA and PB will be 90 degree. Then only it is on the director circle. So from there we can see that angle C is nothing but 90 degree. So triangle CAB क्या हो गया? Triangle CAB become right angle triangle. Right? Triangle CAB क्या हो गया? Right angle triangle. And in right angle triangle, I have told you that the circumcenter of the right angle triangle is midpoint of hypotenuse. So this point P is the midpoint of the hypotenuse, right? So situation is like this. S2 is a circle whose radius is 1, center is 1, 0. Okay, center is 1, 0, and this AB is a chord of contact. Point P is the circumcenter which became the midpoint of the hypotenuse. So now this point P is acting as a point. The AB is a chord whose middle point is P. So when you drop a perpendicular on the chord AB, it will be 90 degree and at point P only by symmetry, right? So in triangle, and since it is a circumcenter, so this PA equal to PC, PA is equal to PC is equal to PB, because C is a because P point P is a circumcenter. Clear? So फिर यहां से बस cos 45 डिग्री कितना आ गया? CP upon CA. तो यहां से CP निकाल लिया. So this is a required locus of the circumcenter of triangle CAB. Clear? Very good, Janvi Thumkor, very good. Okay, so the question is very important. Okay, question is very important. Okay, there are so many concepts that you can learn from these questions, right? देखो अगर किसी को पता नहीं होता that the circumcenter of a right angle triangle is the midpoint of the hypotenuse, then doing this question is very tough. Okay, तब ये question होना काफी मुश्किल हो जाता. Okay, that's why each and every concept you should remember. You never know where you can apply those concepts. Okay, especially in the coordinate geometry. Coordinate में तो सारे concept are interrelated, so that's why each and every concept from each chapter are very important. All the concept from the straight line can be applied on the circle, on the ellipse, hyperbola, parabola. All those things can happen. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, if it is clear, so let's move to a next topic, which is family of circle. Okay, which is family of circle. Since we have only 10 minutes, I will just give you the introduction. Okay, family of circle. Thus, in the straight line chapter also we have seen the family of lines, right? So similarly, we have the family of circle. Okay, we have family of circle. So there, let's say there are two circle. Okay, family of circle क्या होगा? A circle, there are so many circle which are satisfying some common property. Okay, so let's say the type 1 is to find the equation of family of circle which passes through the point of intersection of two circle, S1 equal to 0 and S2 equal to 0. Means there are two circle, S1 and S2. Okay, these two circle are intersecting at point A and point B. So all the circle that are passes through the point of intersection of S1 and S2, that is all the circle which are passing through the point of intersection of S1 and S2 is A and B. Okay, so family of circle here is all the circle which are passing through the point of intersection of S1 and S2, which is all the circle are passing through the point A and B, can be given as how we used to write the equation of the line which are passing through the point of intersection of two line L1 and L2. कैसे लिखते थे? L1 plus lambda time L2 equal to 0. Yes or no? This is the equation of a line which is passing through the point of intersection of L1 and L2. So similarly, equation of circle passing through point A and B, and these point A and B are the point of intersection of S1 S2 is given as S1 plus lambda S2 is equal to 0. Okay, so with different value of lambda we will get different circle. So that's why there are infinite circle is possible. Okay, that's why there are infinite circle possible, and for different value of lambda you may get different value of circle. Maybe for this circle lambda is lambda 1, maybe for this circle lambda is lambda 2. Okay, so use different see the point A, this point A is lying on the both circle S1 and S2. So on putting the point A on the circle, it should satisfy S1 and it should satisfy S2, right? And on putting the point B on the circle, it should satisfy S1 and it should satisfy S2. 0 equal to 0, right? And why this is the equation of circle? Why this is the equation of circle? सबसे पहले ये तो समझ में आ गया कि A and B is satisfying this equation, right? If I can prove that this is the equation of circle, then I can prove that this equation of circle is passing through the point A and B. Yes or no? So let's say S1 कितना है? ऐसे सोचो, S1 is x square plus y square plus 2g1x plus 2f1y plus c1 is equal to 0. S2 कितना है? x square plus y square plus 2g2x plus 2f2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, now S1 plus lambda S2 is equal to 0. So ये कितना आ गया? x square plus y square plus 2g1x plus 2f1y plus c1 plus lambda time x square plus y square plus 2g2x plus 2f2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay, from here you can see that 1 plus lambda times x square plus 1 plus lambda times y square plus 2g1 plus 2g2 lambda into x plus 2f1 plus 2f2 lambda into y plus c1 plus lambda c2 is equal to 0. Clear? So as you can see, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square and coefficient of xy is 0. So you can say that this is a equation of circle only. This is a equation of circle. Okay, right? Now student, one thing that you should remember here is that if lambda become -1, so the coefficient of x square and y square will become 0. Then it will be no longer circle, right? So then it will be something like line, right? Linear expression in xy. So as long as it is a circle, lambda cannot be equal to -1. Okay, if lambda is -1, then it is the equation will not give you the circle, it will give you the line. That we will see after the family of circle. But now remember that equation of circle which is passing through the point of intersection of S1 and S2 is given as S1 plus lambda S2 equal to 0. But lambda cannot be -1, because if lambda becomes -1, then the coefficient of x square and y square become 0, which we cannot want, which we do not want. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. So if it is clear, so let's solve one small question on it. Okay, one small question on it. Okay, so the next question we will solve in the next class. Okay, so this is a question is saying that find the equation of circle which passes through the point of intersection of S1 and S2 and passes through the 0, 0. So सबसे पहले required circle क्या मान लो? Required circle required circle is S1 plus lambda times S2 equal to 0, right? And I have already mentioned this point in the straight line, that using the whenever there is a chance of using the family of circle or family of line, the one of the most important application of it is that in the numerical you will only see one unknown, right? Lambda. So that's why solving the equation is become very easy. Yes or no? Otherwise अगर किसी को family of circle नहीं पता होता तो वो कैसे solve करता है इसको? First, he or she will find the point of intersection of S1 and S2. So इन दोनों को solve करके S1 and S2 निकालता, right? उसके बाद दो पॉइंट आते, थर्ड पॉइंट इज 0,0, देन दे विल फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल विच पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट ए बी एंड 0,0. तो कितना लेंथी हो जाता? यस और नो? सो इफ यू आर यूजिंग द फैमिली ऑफ सर्कल और फैमिली ऑफ लाइन, देन द calculation becomes very easy, isn't it? Calculation becomes very easy. So see, now the circle can be given as x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 plus lambda time x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 12 equal to 0. Now this circle is passing through the 0,0. Put 0,0. What you will get? Minus 3 plus lambda time 12 is equal to 0. Lambda कितना आ गया? 1/4. So now substitute lambda in this equation to get the equation of circle. Simple. Yes or no? Right? Very good. Very good. So what you will getting? What you are getting? You are getting x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 plus 1/4 into x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. Right? एलसीएम वगैरह ले लो. सर्कल कितना आ गया? 4x स्क्वायर. इसको सोल्व कर लोगे क्या? सोल्व कर लोगे? तो मैं एक बार मैं लिख देता हूं फिर डायरेक्टली. ओके, सोल्व कर सकते हो ना? टेक एलसीएम. तो 4x स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर 5x स्क्वायर, 4y स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर 5y स्क्वायर minus 16x plus 4x, तो minus 12x minus 24y minus 6y plus 18y minus 12 plus 12, 0 is equal to 0. So this is a circle. So this is a required circle. Required circle. Is this clear? Is this clear, students? Is this clear or not? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Clear, everyone? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Okay. Okay. So that's all for today, students. That's all for today. So student, this is your homework questions. Let me just show the homework questions. Yeah. So these are your homework questions, everyone. Please attempt this question. Okay. Please attempt this question. We will discuss the questions in the next class. Okay. And we will continue with our discussion on this family of circle in the next class. Okay. If you have any doubt, student, you can ask me in the chat box. Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt regarding the today's class, you can ask me. And please remember to solve those questions, the last class homework questions in the again. Okay, because the two questions that I have solved in today's class, they are very important. Conceptually are very important. Okay, so make sure you attempt those questions again. Okay. Okay, so if there is no doubt, so that's all for today, everyone. Bye bye, everyone. Take care. We will meet in the next class. Okay. Bye, everyone. Take care. Bye.